This is how my environment sounds before the noise was filtered.
And this is how it sounds after the noise has been filtered. This is how my environment sounds before the noise was filtered. I'll walk you through how I achieved this seamless result using just one tool, which is
Adobe Podcast.
When it comes to content creation and shooting videos, as a small creator, you may not have power over your environment. Sometimes you're limited because of the environment where you shoot your videos. You're not opportunity to shoot in a standard studio where you get automatic noise filter tools around the studio. But as content creators, we're not going to let this limit our level and ideas of creating, okay? So today I'll walk you through the process on how you can achieve noise cancellation even after you must have shot your video and you
notice some embarrassing tiny little noises in your video.
You can actually eliminate those things. The first thing I did was to import my video in restream.io so as to be able to extract the audio from the video, which will allow me remove the noise background from that particular video. So you select the file you want to extract the audio from, choose file, then click on extract audio. Then you wait for the video to load and then convert it to MP3 file. When this is done, you download the MP3 file, save it to your computer or to your mobile phone, depending on the device you're using at the moment. Then next, we'll go to podcast.adobe.com so as to be able to clean this audio file and make the background noise go away. So when this opens up, you see the various options of what you can do with it. You can actually see various options of what you can do on this space. So this, I must say that this application it has the free version and the paid version. When you go for the pro version, you can do more with it, but the free version can just do this simple task for you. So right now you click on go to enhance speech, choose the file you want to import. So import that audio which we extracted from the video. Allow the file to load. So when this file loads up, you allow Adobe Podcast to clean up the audio background so as to remove the background noise, which is the main thing we want to do. If you have other applications for extracting audios, you can skip the very first step of extracting your audio from the video and just go straight to Adobe Podcast to clean up your audio background so as to eliminate all those unwanted noise. So right now my audio is ready. I'll go ahead and download it, save it, and remember the name we used as saving the file. Okay, so I opened it up to make sure that it's the file that the background was cleaned up. The next thing I'll need to do is to go to my editing app. You can use any editing app. I love to use CapCut because it makes my editing easy. So right now I'll go ahead and import the very first video with the background noise so as to show you the difference and how you can actually eliminate that background noise when you're editing. So I'll clip on the first video, which is the one with the background noise right now. Then next I'll go ahead and import that audio file which I remove the background noise in Adobe Podcast. So when I import the audio alone, you can see I'm trying to make sure that it's the particular audio that I need. So next I'm going to add on another of this video clip so as to merge all the files together. So this is me trying to see if this video is actually the one with the background noise. Okay, so I've confirmed that this is the one with the background noise and I'm testing out the noise cancellation audio here. So the next thing, I'll add my next video clip. It's the same video clip, but the only difference is that I'll import that audio which the background was removed, and I'll go ahead and mute the second clip. I'll take the volume to 0, and then the noise cancellation audio alone is what will stand in for this video, the second clip, which we want to be modified. And this, I must say that this app modifies your voice. It does not just clean up your background, it also modifies your voice and makes it sound like a studio setting. So it's a very good app and very useful. Even if you don't have a microphone, this app is going to save you a ton of stress and a lot of time. So it's going to work for any background setting. If you're in a very noisy environment and you're done with your video, all you need to do is to extract the audio, import it into Adobe Podcast, and your background noise will be totally cleared out for you. So this is me. I've done everything and I've tested. I just exported the file out of CapCut.
This is how my environment sounds before the noise was filtered. This is how my environment sounds before the noise was filtered. I must mention as well that for you to also get good background sound, you need good microphone. I know as new content creators who are still coming up, we may not be opportune to buy the very expensive equipment, the very expensive microphones, and all of that. We make do with the little one we have. As for me, this mic I'm using is sufficient for me. It has noise reduction feature inbuilt in it, so it suppresses the noise as much as it can to a certain level, but sometimes you get those fluttering noise at the background as well, people passing by, because I live in a very noisy environment. I live by the road actually, so most times I can't control the number of cars that passes by at a given time, the level of noise that happens or goes on in my background at a given time. But I wouldn't let this limit my level of creation. I have to create content. So guys, this is how you can seamlessly achieve noise suppression in your pre-recorded video. This is a feature every young creator needs to know. If you cannot afford noise cancellation mic, but really there are so many cheap mics out there. There's the Boya mic, there's the Ulanzi, which I'm using. I'll leave the links in the comment section, so feel free to go check them out for yourself. These mics are not so expensive, and this Ulanzi is really good at noise suppression. There's a lot of noise going on in my background right now while I'm shooting, but I was able to suppress it while I did the rest of it in this application to suppress the noise completely. So my advice to you is get an inexpensive mic that has noise reduction. This Ulanzi is really good at suppressing the noise, and this little thing up here, this buffer, I think that's what it's called, helps to also minimize the noise. It's for wind. If you're in a windy environment, it suppresses it. So guys, if you've really found value in this video, write in the comment section, I needed this, and I'm going to send you kisses to let you know that you mean a lot to me. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button so you'll be part of this clique and get all the awesome things every new creator needs to know. Just do all the good fun stuff here, the like button, the subscribe, the notification bell. It really warms my heart when I see you encourage me, because I am a young creator as well. I'm a new creator, and we are all striving to succeed, which I believe we will all achieve soon. Thank you guys. If you love the music you're hearing in my background and you want to know how I get my music, check out the next video, because I'll be listing so many places you can get copyright free music, and my favorite one, because on this space we are all about new creators,
And yeah, we love free.
Thank you guys for always supporting. I love you all. Bye guys, till next one.